Ford P0401 EGR insufficient flow. We're going to check out the EGR's plugged on this truck. This is a common problem on the 4.6 liter, and we're going to clean it out. I'm going to show where it plugs up usually. You can hear there's no change in the engine idle. This EGR is plugged solid. Now the EGR could be stuck, but if I suck on it, if I pull a vacuum and release, you can hear the EGR moving. I've already electrically checked the functionality of this, and the DPFE sensor, which is a common failure part, is also good. So this is just a good old-fashioned clog. So what we need to do is we need to take this whole thing off. So all this has to come off, and see these bolts right here? These bolts, there's 4 of them. Where this joint is, right here, there's a horseshoe shaped cutout underneath this that plugs up. Alright, so this is a piece that needs to come off. Go ahead. And see, look here, move that.
Right here, you can see them.
Ooh, this one's a little bit different.
They still plug.
Well, yeah. This one's a little bit different. The ones I'd seen in the past, there's a horseshoe cutout shape. Some of them there's a horseshoe cutout shape. Is it there? On this one, no. But some of them, there's like a groove around that with 3 holes in it that gets plugged. In this case, the plug is right here where the EGR feeds. After it's been cleaned, so what this does, this hooks to the DPFE and the EGR solenoid, and this is a duty cycle. And this is the DPFE voltage. It's a little bit high. It should basically be 0 right now, but so the DPFE could be a problem, but at least it's working now. I'm going to take this out and run the system readiness test for the EGR just to verify it's good for the customer. And the EGR is 3 hard accelerations to 45 miles an hour on Ford. And it completed the EGR monitor as well as the O2 sensor and heater monitor with no pending codes, so we're good to go.